I have an idea for a dish. So we're at the farmer's market now. Hopefully gonna get some little beets. That will be really pretty. So that was a miss. Couldn't find beets for the first time ever. We're gonna go to Whole Foods because I know they'll have the beets. I just kept on putting stuff in there. I had to get out of there. It was getting dangerous. But should we do a little haul? I found some stuff in there that I was really excited about and I haven't seen since Chicago. These are so freaking good. De la Calle Tepeche. It's like a fermented Mexican drink and they have really good flavors. Think like kombucha, but sometimes kombucha can be really strong. This is less. This flavor is pineapple spice. My favorite one is the green one and they didn't have that one. The blue one, ginger apple. I also saw this, thought it was really interesting. It's like a lychee sparkling water. I love lychee. Here's the red one. This is mango chili. Tepeche. This, there was only like 2 left and they were in the way back, so I was like, might as well get one. It's kombucha, lavender, and lemon. That looks good. This is just a vanilla cold brew almond latte. Let's do a little taste test. That's really good. I'll drink that tomorrow morning for, oh my gosh. I almost spilled it on my pants. Okay, my adrenaline just spiked right there. Rice flour, because I've been wanting to cook out of my Asian cookbook. They have some baked stuff, but it uses rice flour and I didn't have that. And then I got feta, because that's what we originally came for. I got grapefruit because they looked yummy and I wanted to eat them now. See, I went in hungry. That's always a mistake. Oh crap, something's leaking on my pants. Oh no, it's the coffee. Literally feels like I peed myself. It's like running up my body. I'm gonna try to go quick because I got a lot of stuff. We got golden beets, regular beets, polenta. I got a cabbage, sun-dried tomatoes, and a pomelo. This is my favorite fruit. We used to eat it all the time when I lived in Singapore. It's basically like a cross between, it's like a sweet grapefruit, but it's not really a grapefruit and it's bigger. About 1 inch of this is just white flesh. So really good. And that's it. And I spent $100. Oh, and I got a baguette. Let's go home and cook. Let's try this pineapple spice tepeche. Dang, get this. First, we're gonna make sweet potatoes. I'm gonna make a rice vinegar caramel kind of to go on top of them. Here are the ingredients. We're starting the beets and whipped feta, and I laid out all the ingredients for you guys real nice. We're gonna wrap it in foil and then put it in the oven until they're tender all the way through. The plan for the whipped feta is we're just gonna do feta mixed with Greek yogurt until it's creamy, and lemon zest, honey, and olive oil to taste. Maybe a little salt and pepper. Really, really good. Needs a lot more Greek yogurt, I think, to make it creamy. Okay, it looks like water. Did it melt? It literally has liquidized. Okay, honestly, I think it's a little warm, so I think it might have melted. I'm gonna blend a little bit more feta into it and then put it in the fridge. And then if it doesn't firm up a little bit by the time the beets are done, then we can figure something else out. It's still kind of liquidy, but I think if we put it in the fridge, it'll firm up. So I'm gonna do that. Now I'm gonna make the sesame vinegar glaze. I brought it inside because it just wasn't cutting it out there. Essentially, we're making a caramel. Also, this is what pomelo looks like. This is like a section of it, you can peel it. It's the moment of truth. Potatoes are baked. Caramel's made. Ooh. Actually, we're back outside because the lighting's better out here for the food. And I want you to see it in its full glory. Potato skin is really soft. What the frick is this on my face? We're going in. So soft. It's literally almost too soft. I think I need more caramel, but tastes like dessert. You honestly don't need the extra butter on there. Just put the sauce straight on it. I added quite a bit of vinegar at the end just because I think I needed to kick it up a little bit, and that made such a big difference. You can really taste the rice vinegar and it goes well with the sesame seeds. 10 out of 10. There is room to improve, but we can go higher than a 10. Okay, now the rest of the other one. I'm tired. I don't want to finish. Also the feta is like watery. The beets are done. The garlic should be roasted. Oh, okay. That looks really promising. I figured out what was wrong with the feta. It just needed more Greek yogurt. Okay, now we put it together. I'm really proud of that. I think it's really pretty. I'm destroying this.